Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change your username on Minecraft Java edition. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So when you're on Google, you wanna type mojang.com. Then when you're here on Mojang, you'll see in the top right corner a help button. You wanna click that. Then you want to click on Minecraft Java Edition as which version of Minecraft you want help with. That's this. Then you want to click Visit Our Support Center, and you want to type up here Minecraft username. Then here's 99 results, and here you want to click on Minecraft usernames. And here, where can I change my username? When I click this link, account.mojang.com/me, and then you're in here. Then you want to type your email and password and log in. Then you're in your Mojang account, and here you can see where you can change your name. And I changed it. You just want to click this and just your password and your new name. That's what I think it was. Yeah, hope you guys found this video informative, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.